when you are on a Discord channel, these are your Discord servers. I'm just teaching you generally how to use Discord. These are all the servers you've joined. Okay, let's say you want to also for whitelists for any server, or you just join the server. The first thing you need to do is to check if they are giving rules. Check if there are rules, then you claim yours. If there are rules, you read this thing, read these instructions here. You see where they wrote to react to this emoji to get a gamer rule. So all you need to do is find that emoji and react to it like this. You get, proceed to the next. This is where people are chatting. That is the general. If you want to vibe in Discord, just scroll. You must see general or chats. You get where you can vibe with people. Then you click on it, and then you be like, go there, vibe. You be like, so fam, how's it going? You get people will reply you. You vibe with them. Then you move to the next. So if you want to grind for whitelist, it's that simple. First of all, you will check if they have anywhere they wrote how to whitelist. How to whitelist. I already have a whitelist here. Let me look for another project that I don't have a whitelist on. So let me check gummies. So this is it. In any server you join and you want to get whitelist, first of all, you can read their how to whitelist. They will provide some rules here. These people didn't provide any rules, so I'm definitely going to look for the one that provides rules. This should provide rules. See it here, how to whitelist. Click on it. This is how you can whitelist. Just check, read up all these things and follow their their rules and whatever it is they wrote there, so you can get your whitelist. Then try and vibe in the chats. Try and vibe in the general chat. This is injecting. See, I already sent a message here. See Mr. Morgan's message. People will come vibe with you. This is it. This is injective warrior. So if you want to check if you are given whitelist, when you enter that server, like I want to check for docu, I enter that server, I go to general. You have to click on sub friend. You get, so that you can click on your profile. Then you click on your profile here. When you click on it, you can see your rules here. As you can see my rules. Choosing one whitelist. That means I already have a whitelist. So that's how you should do it. So many other things too. When you get a whitelist, you should be looking out for wallet support, like wallet submission, when to submit your wallet and all that. So the next one is how to enter raffles from different DAOs. Let's say you entered let me use the crypto family. This is the crypto family here. I've won a lot of raffles from them. You will see where they wrote alphabet raffles. You see where they wrote winner channels. This alphabet raffles now is where they post people that won this giveaways. That is whitelist now. Then as you can see, this place I won Splendor OG, and I won cyber injective cyber. That is from entering whitelist. So let me use MCN Universe because it's owned by someone I know. So you click on MCN, you go to their public, any server you enter, you want to enter raffles, you are looking for raffles to enter for whitelist, click on public giveaways. Like now, this thing now is a raffle. See, it's MCN versus Ocean public. It's a public raffle. So you click on view in alphabet. When you click on view in alphabet, it will provide alphabet options. You get, some of them used to host their raffles on Soba. I don't know if you understand. All these things you're doing in alphabet is a different place where you host raffles, while Soba is a different place where you host raffles as well. There's another one too. I think it's Atlas. Yeah, Atlas is another one. I think I already submitted for this one. Yeah, I submitted for this one. I entered this. So I submitted for it already. You would have, okay, see it, I submitted. See, it's registered successfully. I submitted for it. So when you come here, you just enter, follow. They say follow these people they ask you to follow. Then you click on enter raffle, and that will just be it. So now let's go back to Discord. So this is Discord. Like, I'm teaching you generally everything you need to know about Discord and how to enter raffles. You get, whenever you go to any server, you just joined early. This is another DAO that I always go to for this elite DAO that I always go to for giveaways. See where they are hosting Soba raffles. Click on Soba raffles. There's no Soba raffles for now. Let's check Alpha. See this one, Alphabot. They sent this one yesterday. Seedlings NFT Sports 5. So when you want to enter it, you just click on view in Alphabot. You get, that's just it. Like, just go through it. You should get used to using Discord by always going there every day, always going there all the time to see what. So I've shown you guys how to check if you have a whitelist or a role in a server. So I think that should be it for here. I'm currently grinding for this one, and I've done all their Zilly tasks, and I'm just waiting for them. Like now, this is the place I check my invite. So you see, I was chatting with I think this should be their moderator or their community manager. He is quite awake. So just go through any server you enter, anything they say there. Like now they say spread the word. This might be where people vibe, drop their links to these giveaways, these tickets. You open tickets in case you want to request for collab. That is, they should give you spots for whitelist so you can give your community members. So this is general chat. This is sassy follow sassy. This is where everybody in the server drop their links, their Twitter links for people to follow. You see Mr. Morgan just dropped his. I can actually go and pick mine. Let me quickly go and pick mine and drop. Let me go and pick mine and drop it. So this is mine. I'm going to drop it now. You just click on these three, click on share and copy, and click on copy. When you click on it, you just go back there and then you drop it. I'm just showing you how you can vibe. In, look at it, it has already updated my bio and everything. You get, so that's just how you can vibe on Discord. It's that simple. I've shown you how you can grind. Do you get, after grinding and you get a whitelist spot? After getting the whitelist spot, always look out for where you can submit your wallet. In this aspect, I think I submitted wallet in announcement. I think, yeah, something like that. They asked me, look at it, submit wallet. You always go to their announcement so that you will not miss wallet submission date. Submit wallet here. I clicked on Soba. I clicked on it, then submitted my wallet, and it went through immediately. So that's just it. For now, I'll be making another video later.